Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 28th, 2025, and we're diving into Macy's first quarter earnings report for 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Macy's has just released their Q1 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their net sales performance to strategic initiatives like the Reimagine 125 stores.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Macy's reported net sales of $4.6 billion, which exceeded their guidance. However, comparable sales were down 2.0% on an owned basis. John, how does this impact their profitability?
Despite the decline in comparable sales, Macy's managed to surpass their earnings guidance with an adjusted EPS of 16 cents, beating the forecasted 14 cents. This indicates strong cost management and operational efficiencies, even as they face challenges in sales growth.
And how did their different segments perform?
Bloomingdale's and Bluemercury showed positive comparable sales growth, which helped offset some of the declines at Macy's stores. This diversification is crucial for Macy's overall performance.
Strategic initiatives and store performance. Macy's has been focusing on their Reimagine 125 initiative. How did these stores perform compared to the rest of the fleet?
The Reimagine 125 stores outperformed the rest of Macy's fleet with a smaller decline in comparable sales. This initiative is part of their Bold New Chapter strategy, aiming to enhance customer experience and drive sales.
And what about Bloomingdale's and Bluemercury?
Both segments delivered consistent positive comps, with Bloomingdale's seeing a 3.0% increase and Bluemercury marking its 17th consecutive quarter of growth. These results highlight the strength of Macy's diversified brand portfolio.
Financial health and shareholder returns. Turning to financial health, Macy's ended the quarter with $932 million in cash and cash equivalents. How does this position them moving forward?
Macy's strong cash position allows them to continue investing in strategic initiatives and returning value to shareholders. They repurchased $101 million worth of shares and paid $51 million in dividends this quarter, demonstrating confidence in their financial stability.
What about their debt situation?
They have a manageable debt profile with no significant maturities until 2027, and they've proactively extended their credit facility, which provides them with flexibility to navigate future challenges.
Guidance and future outlook. Looking ahead, Macy's has reaffirmed their annual net sales guidance. What are the key factors influencing their outlook?
They expect net sales between $21 billion and $21.4 billion, maintaining their previous guidance. However, they've adjusted their EPS guidance to $1.60 to $2, reflecting a more cautious stance due to competitive pressures and consumer spending trends.
How is Macy's planning to tackle these challenges?
They're leveraging their diverse brand offerings and focusing on enhancing customer experience through initiatives like Reimagine 125. This strategic focus should help them adapt to the evolving retail landscape.
Key takeaways. In summary, Macy's delivered a solid performance in Q1 2025, with net sales exceeding guidance and an adjusted EPS of 16 cents beating analyst expectations. Their strategic initiatives and strong financial position provide a positive outlook despite market challenges. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. Macy's is certainly a company to watch as they continue to execute their strategy.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Macy's performance in the comments below. Until next time.